Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install new fonts in Photoshop. Before we start, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button on this video. So, let's get started. As you can see, there are lots of fonts available in Photoshop, but not all types of fonts come pre-installed. Suppose I want to add the Poppins font in Photoshop. What I need to do is, first, minimize Photoshop and open your Chrome browser. In the search bar, type font.download, then hit Enter. Now here in the search bar, type the font name that you want to download. Find the font you want and click on its name. Then scroll down and click on Download Font for free. That's it. Now, go to your Downloads folder using File Explorer. Right-click on the downloaded zip file and click Extract All. Then click Extract. Once the folder is opened, you'll see all styles of the font. Choose the one you want to install, click on it, and then click Install from the top of the window. Now close Photoshop and reopen it. Search for the font in the Text tool. As you can see, the new font is now installed and ready to use. So friends, that's how you can easily install any font in Photoshop. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Thanks for watching.